Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning from Makassar, city of Makassar, the biggest city in East Indonesia. And luckily that today I get this opportunity to discuss or to chat with acting environment management of city of Makassar.
Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Ferdi Mochtar. How are you, Pak Ferdi?
I'm very well, thank you.
Very well, thank you. I'm Pak Ferdi. There's so many issues raised now, especially in waste management. But before that, I think our viewers really want to know about your position now. The responsibility under this environmental management of Makassar.
Yes.
Can you describe?
Okay. I am Ferdi Mochtar. Since the major gave me a position to be in charge of head of department, especially for the environment, I think there are several issues that we need to enhance how to create a better program to make the situation of environment in Makassar to be sustainable. In terms of how to discuss about the open space environments.
Open space environment, okay.
About the waste management system.
Waste management.
And also the several issues including how to making this several program close to the society. Yeah.
Close to society.
Such,
Okay.
How to give awareness to the community to start recycling process start from the household. So we can start from the waste management issue. Yeah. There's so big issue in waste management issue, particularly in landfill area in Antar. Yeah.
Okay.
The total area around 19 hectares.
19 hectares.
Yeah, from now on. Yeah. There's not enough space to how to say
To cover or
to bring the debris or to the waste go to the area. So when I walking around that area, I found some space that's possible to be alternative position as a place for the landfill or waste
from the city, from the urban.
You know, almost one day around from 800 ton up to
800
1,000 ton per one
in a day.
Yeah, in a day in Makassar, depending on citizen. For example, in Idul Fitri, almost close to the 1,000
tons.
1,000 tons form of waste.
That's the biggest challenge. If I mean you mentioned about the waste management. Back to the previous ideas. Is there any specific request from the mayor of Makassar about your position? I mean the main target to be solved to be achieved by you.
Yeah, I think there are so many. There are so many. How to say? There are so many programs that we need to be making a good progress.
Such a story for the city.
For example, how to give relationship to the community to start recycling, reuse and reduce. To eliminate
3R.
To eliminate the waste directly to the landfill area. So because in Makassar there is waste bank,
Waste bank.
And there are total 1,000 waste bank. Now the target how to create.
Sorry, 1,000 means a fixed number of waste bank? Or more than 1,000?
More, I think 1,087 waste bank. That separated in some institutions. For example, in a school in
West Bank.
And the school West Banks, and the government West Banks, and private sector West Bank, and also in the community. But the biggest
are they active? I mean, for those 1,076?
Not totally active.
Not totally active.
For not totally active, I try to step by step give some motivation for them to collaborate with the government program, because the program the government provide kind of the budget to buy the waste, especially for unorganic waste, plastic, paper, and anything else.
But Ferdi want to say that the mayor of Makassar say, please pay attention on the involvement of the community in taking roles in managing their waste by promoting what we call waste bank. Is that correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. If so, what you have done so far to strengthen or to improve or to optimize their function?
The thing they have to first done is to see the base data, how number of the waste bank
database
active, how number of the waste bank is still not really active. For the active, we can make it a kind of the model pilot project, how the community engages to separate the waste from organic and unorganic, and also the institution of the waste bank, give motivation, give socialization to the community, and also we collaborate with kind of the way out of or leadership community to start to think about the waste system. There's no awareness for the community. Absolutely, this is kind of the problem about the waste situation of in Makassar. So from Central Waste Bank organize kind of collector directly to the waste bin unit and collect all the garbage, and we also calculate how many kilograms for the total of the waste, unorganic waste, and we buy. We buy. The government buy, because there is a budget
available to buy. It is a part of your responsibility in this section.
We also provide a kind of accounting for national. How to say then? So
customer.
Customer. There's a regular. The center officer regular control. How many kilograms for the total waste? So how the community can engage and participation.
Ferdi, I think 3 or 2 months ago there was a big issue about the floods in Makassar, and people say that issue related to how we manage our canal, Solokan, or there's so many ways, so many evidence that lack of intention to clean, to manage our canals first. Secondly, it seems that we need more, collaboration with others to manage canal or irrigation or water supply, something like that. Is that also included in your task from the mayor about the managing the canal?
There is not directly.
There is not directly.
Part of my responsibility, because that functions belong to the central governments. Actually, the mayor of Makassar, also the government city of Makassar, realize that this is the thing that they have to do, because it's very close to the community funds. But we try to do some effort to do that, but in terms of allocating the budget, how to make clean the canals, this is a part of the central government.
And city of Makassar is also responsible to increase awareness of citizen or
right, absolutely. But at least the sub districts and try to clean the canals. even though without any budget, but we realize the system about the city situation that we need to be clear.
Yeah, because that's public awareness, right?
Yeah, it's a public awareness.
Okay, please specify your, what can I say, services as a part of Department of Environment of Makassar. Can you describe or specific like your responsibility person?
Yeah.
To make it clear to the audience.
Yeah, first about the open space.
Open space.
Green open space.
Green open space. Okay.
Yeah.
Space.
There's we need to how to make a good environment.
Good environment.
Okay. In terms of air quality.
Okay. Air quality.
By developing more and more area to grow well with the plant. So the target to be clean government, clean situation, and clean environment, and high quality fresh.
Okay.
So right now we have the contribution of open space with the green area. That's only around almost close to
30%.
11%.
11%.
Yeah. But we need to increase more by collaborating with the private sector and how the private sector also involved to grow much more plant in several space based on the situation of the area. Because not much of the area in Makassar we have the total of
Yeah, 8% is like I don't know. Is that include also in Padanis or the mayor of mid planning something like that? LPGMD that there's a target to achieve maybe percentage of the green area, open green area.
Yes, we hope that as much as possible.
Okay.
The total target area close to the 12% more than that. According to the rule of the central governments, close the 20% area. That is much possible.
Yeah, possible.
In one city.
Realistic, Okay.
20% of the green contribution area. This is to be a major city and to make a good environment in the city.
Okay, Pak Ferdi, one more question from me about the position of Makassar. I mean, its readiness to part of what we call Adipura process. Yeah, because remember last year there were so many critics, there were so many pessimism that Makassar will be not able to pass the Adipura. I think also one of the requests from the mayor of Makassar to you is to get more significant progress in achieving, I don't know, maybe Adipura or maybe below the Adipura like awards or something like that. Is there any specific program to get?
Absolutely.
Adipura, man.
We have to get it Adipura.
Okay.
I think we have. I already meeting with the regional office of environment
from the minister.
From the minister.
Okay.
And several topic issues that we need to prove it in implementation field. For example, we discuss about the community environment. We need all the community realize about how they separated between organic village and non-organic village, and also how the kind of the government
institution, maybe government institution,
especially for the environment department involved how to engage the community, kind of making compost. We discuss about the community environment. And the other issue also that we need to prove it about how to make it clean for the market.
Clean for the market.
Especially for traditional market. You know that the traditional market, there's so the geometric issue is also one of the problems. So we need to centralize the space to put it the waste between the organic and also the organic. And also about the school. Yeah, there's some of the criteria also go to school. I think that we need how the
school management
waste management system involved also in the school.
Okay.
But
it
the
means
next subject is the landfill area.
Landfill area. Is there any specific issues like the area, the wide?
The composting system available over there.
Composting system.
Control landfill also.
Control landfill also.
So we also conducted. And we have to identify which is the area is our area.
Some people say, Pak Adi, some people say the movement of the truck, the dump truck, and is very limited in the area because of the no access, no. Is that?
I think this is the thing that have to solve it.
Okay.
So right now I try to make open access area.
Open access area.
Open access area. Go to the like behind because there is also available
space.
Space
about
6 to
10
hectares. From 6 to 10 hectares.
Owned by the government of Makassar.
All the government of Makassar. Owned by government of Makassar. That can be used
opportunity
to 2 or 3 years more for citizens as a landfill alternative here. Because in the front of close to the gate is a very bad situation.
Are you saying that in TP Antang you are trying to improve the management, to improve the system, to provide equipments or facility that are considered as the requirements for the Adipura or?
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Because this is the main target.
First
thing, find open new access area.
Open new access area.
The composting system.
Composting system.
And also the final area about the water treatment system. So all the how do you say kind of waste unorganic system that very hard to take. We need to make it clean. So before diving into the environment, with the community living around the area.
By adopting that, it's a big chance for your unit or this city obtain or get appreciation from the central government about the Adipura, maybe. How you call it? Award below the
in all the system we can follow and the criteria can be fulfilled about the situation indirect to the field. I think we can get there. Hopefully we can get there.
Okay. Pak Ferdi, I think that's one what can I say good input from us about your challenge in improving the TP Antang. And last from me, this related to how we convince. There are 15 sub-districts. There are 185 kelurahan or what, or how you call it? Kelurahan. What? Sub-district means kecamatan. Okay. So is there any initiative for capacity building, because sometimes also it's not easy to raise awareness of the for those sub-districts. When there's a specific program, maybe campaign, maybe socialization, maybe strengthening the sub-district organization.
I think it's not really a big issue because we collaborate all the times and we can easy communication with them. There's kind of the compulsory for them to socialize, to make socialization, to distribute all information directly to the community. This is a part of their job. The information for the environment department from my institutions, not really difficult to ask them to participate, to make them participate, how to make the environment better.
Why do I ask? Because you mentioned before that the mayor is trying to increase awareness of the community, and I remember one of the actors, Pakanato, is still available. I mean, to be part of this your program.
Yeah, this part of program Pakanato has special responsibility to control the environment. If there's some of the condition is not really good, so we can ask them to grow up by using the kind of online information.
Online information, okay. They update.
Yeah, update online information. So we can easily government can control this is the area that we need to be clean. So after that, we can have the sub-district level to clean that area to be better situation and to making an environment really clean, and the community will really help
involved in the I was thinking about it because sometimes also it's not easy to promote our city as a clean without any participation. Please, if you want to say something to our viewers about your upcoming program or initiative, please.
I think it's collaboration between the governments and the private sector and the community and also the university or also the NGO
and international
links should be together to create Makassar to be a clean city. Without that, it's difficult. Just only responsible belong to the government. But all responsible
stakeholders.
This is a good program, and we can create and we can start from by decisions. Thank you.
Thank you, Ferdi. This dear viewers. This is our brief interview, and luckily he mentioned so many things about the issue, about the initiative. And I would say, please do support them as a part of this big city, Makassar. And
Thank you.